Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Talk Bini, the place where learning English feels simple, relaxing, and fun. I'm Bini, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Bini, and hello to all our wonderful listeners from all around the world. Thank you for joining us again. Every new episode feels like a warm conversation with friends. So, Bini, how are you today?
I'm great, Jake. I woke up early, had some tea, and now I have so much energy. It feels like a perfect day to learn English with our listeners. How about you? You look excited today.
I am definitely excited. I took a short walk before recording, and the fresh air made me feel really good. I'm ready for today's topic, and I hope everyone listening is ready too.
Yes, but before we begin, we have one simple request for all of you. Please subscribe to our podcast, give this episode a like, and share it with someone who is learning English.
Exactly. Your likes and shares help more people discover us, and we are truly thankful for all the support.
All right, Jake, are you ready to tell everyone what we're talking about today?
Absolutely. Today's episode is about one of the most common questions in English. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, this question appears everywhere, in classrooms, at work, in interviews, and even when you meet new friends.
But many English learners feel nervous when they hear it. They freeze and think, what should I say first? My job? My age? My hobby? My family?
Exactly. So today we will make it easy, super easy. We'll show you how to answer step by step with simple sentences and natural examples.
We'll also show do's and don'ts, fun examples, and many ideas you can copy for your own introduction.
Yes. So stay with us. This episode is packed with helpful English practice. Jake, let's show everyone how to answer the question. I'll ask the questions. You reply slowly and clearly.
All right, I'm ready.
First question. What is your name?
My name is Jake. Jake.
And my name is Bini. Nice to meet you, Jake.
Nice to meet you too, Bini.
So, Jake, where are you from?
I am from New Zealand. I grew up in a peaceful town surrounded by green hills and beautiful lakes.
Wow, that sounds lovely. I am from Sri Lanka, from a lively city with colorful markets, friendly people, and delicious food.
Sri Lanka is beautiful. Such a rich culture.
Do you still live in New Zealand now?
No, I moved 2 years ago. I now live in Thailand. It's warm, friendly, and full of amazing food.
Thailand is lovely. And I live in Dubai right now, a busy modern city with tall buildings and bright lights.
Dubai is such an exciting place to live.
Do you want to talk about age?
Sure, but remember everyone, age is optional. You can share it if you want or skip it. I am 31 years old.
And I am 26 years old. Simple and easy. Next question. What do you do?
I'm a video editor and storyteller. I create videos for travel channels, restaurants, and online creators. I love being creative.
That's awesome. I am an English trainer and podcast host. I teach English using stories and natural conversations.
Perfect combination. A language trainer and a storyteller.
Let's talk about family. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one younger sister named Mia. She is funny, loud, and full of energy.
Cute. I have 2 brothers. Their names are Kevin and Aaron. Both younger, both mischievous.
Younger brothers always have extra energy.
Jake, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a small white dog named Coco. She loves running around and stealing socks.
That's adorable. I have a golden fish named Shine. He's calm, quiet, and easy to take care of.
Nice. Your fish is probably the opposite of my dog.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is ramen. Hot, comforting, tasty.
My favorite food is biryani. Nothing makes me happier than a big plate of biryani.
Oh, I'm hungry.
What is your favorite color?
Yellow. It reminds me of sunshine.
Mine is blue, peaceful and fresh.
My favorite animal is a panda. Soft, calm, and cute.
My favorite is a parrot, colorful and talkative, just like me. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I enjoy cooking, hiking, and playing guitar. You?
I love reading, painting, and watching documentaries.
Great hobbies.
Let's talk about dislikes. What don't you like?
I don't like heavy traffic. It makes me tired.
I don't like waking up too early. I need my sleep.
Same.
When someone asks, tell me about yourself, you don't need to say everything. Choose 4 to 5 things depending on the situation.
In a job interview, focus on work and skills. In a class, focus on your studies and hobbies. At a party, keep it light and friendly.
Let's give a full example. Jake, can you give a simple introduction?
Sure. My name is Jake. I'm from New Zealand, and I live in Thailand. I work as a video editor. In my free time, I enjoy cooking and hiking. My favorite food is ramen, and I love yellow.
Perfect, simple and clear. I'll give another example. Hi, I'm Bini. I'm from Sri Lanka, but now I live in Dubai. I'm an English trainer and a podcast host. I enjoy reading, painting, and learning new skills. My favorite food is biryani, and my favorite color is blue. I have a pet fish named Shine.
Love it. 1. Keep it short. 2. Use simple English. 3. Don't speak too fast. 4. Share something interesting. 5. Smile. People love friendly introductions.
Ready for quick questions?
Let's do it.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Beaches or mountains?
Mountains.
Books or movies?
Movies.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
We hope today's episode helped you understand how to answer "Tell me about yourself" naturally and confidently.
Yes, practice makes everything easier. You can practice in front of a mirror, record your voice, or say it with a friend.
And now it's your turn. Go to the comments and write
Your name, your country, your hobby, and your favorite food. We can't wait to read your introductions.
Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe, like, and share this podcast with anyone who wants to improve their English. Stay safe, stay happy, and keep practicing English. We will be back soon with another fun episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.